Yes, you can see Mr. Governor's convoy moving. You can see the DSS. Mr. Governor, we are leaving Onugwa in Olumbanasa. You can see that of CSO. That's Mr. Governor's convoy in Olumbanasa. We are moving. Yes. Yes.
This is His Excellency Mr. Governor, Prophet Thomas Oludo, riding on a bike, and also His Lordship Dennis Isizo, the Bishop of Aguleri, and that's the crowd following Mr. Governor. The road is actually unmotorable, even by Keke. Keke cannot get here, so that's why they are using OKADA. I'm seeing His Lordship, Dr. Dennis Isizo, and Mr. Governor on the back of a Keke there. I mean, not Keke, but OKADA. He's riding OKADA. That's the size of the crowd you can see here. Entering. Where are we going to? Allah, yeah. And this is the beginning of Allah. I was told that on my right hand here, that there used to be a primary school that was destroyed during the intercommunal clash between Allah people and Odekbe. And that's essentially what the governor has come to do, to see things for himself and see the carnage, the destruction that took place here. And behind there, you see there's also one church that was damaged, that was destroyed during the intercommunal clash between the people and the Allah people. But the governor has come by himself today to address all these issues and help to bring peace to all these warring communities. And that's essentially why he's here today, and to see the people. I was told that for the very first time, no governor of Anambra State, in Anambra State, has ever visited this place. No governor, whether military or civilian, has ever visited this place. And today, Mr. Governor is here by himself to see things for himself, not only to see things for himself, but at least to bring hope and everlasting peace to all these communities, the warring communities in this Olumbanasa.
Good afternoon,
yeah.
His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuemeka, CFR Inter Solution. You are welcome to Allah and the Yoruba community. This place behind the cameraman is the community primary school Allah and the Yoruba. This place.
Where?
Community primary
school.
Yes, this place. Yeah.
That where?
Yes, this bush you are seeing now. There's a block standing over there.
Yes, I can see a block there.
That is the community primary school Allah and the Yoruba.
Normally community primary school.
Yes, excellent. Then the Catholic Church, we have passed the Catholic Church.
We passed one demolished down there.
Yes, yes, it's excellent.
So, what are we saying?
This is Allah.
So this used to be a community, a village.
Community primary school.
We are still going further. The unit proper is in the front. The copper lodge is somewhere here.
The what?
Copper's lodge.
Copper's lodge.
Yes.
Okay. The copper. There are coppers here now.
No.
Oh dear. That was. No. That's really. Okay. So here the former primary school. There the former Catholic church. So this place, this bush
No damn Governor was here. There's no damn Governor was here. No, let it go. There's no Governor here. There's no Governor here. There's no Governor here.
Teachers.
Come down. No Governor here. There's no Governor here. No damn Governor was here.
Was there school here? Was there school here? Where were the teachers living? The teachers? No, where were the teachers living? The teachers.
Somewhere here.
But tell you what
I was speaking now. Where's the tight rope? Where's the tight rope? Come down.
Ama mba rapia onwe ife na-eme
onwe ife ọ na-ekwu
anwe gang ndị obodo nke a nọ na